In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add quick links on Shopify. Quick links help customers navigate your store more easily and improve the overall shopping experience. Let's get started. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left sidebar, click on Online Store. Next, click on Customize to open the theme editor. Once inside the theme editor, look at the left panel and click on the footer section. Now click on Add block. From the available options, choose Menu. After adding the menu block, click on the empty link or select Menu option. Now choose the page, collection or product you want to link to. For example, you can link to products, collections, contact pages or policy pages. If needed, you can also choose whether the link opens in a new tab. Once your quick links are added, click Insert. Check the preview to make sure everything looks correct. Finally, click Save at the top right corner. That's it. You've successfully added quick links to your Shopify store. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.